Hello class, this eco video is all about using the store to help trade items between both people in your town and anybody in the world. The store is one of the tables you can make at the basic workbench, and after you've made it, you take it, you place it inside of a building. It cannot be just outside anywhere, and then you can open it up. And the main page will basically be blank to start with. You'll have to edit the sale list and you'll have to edit the buying list. Editing the sale list is just choosing what you want to sell. You don't have to have these items, but you just choose what you want to show up on the screen. And the easiest way is just to filter for the name if you know what you want. Click on it, hit submit, and now it's over here. And you can see I don't have any of these, so it's just going to say I'm sold out because I can't sell something I don't have any. And this is also where I would adjust the price. And then buying is similar. You would pick the things you want. Let's take my little cart. And then over here, I can set the price of how much I'm willing to pay for that object. And how many, maybe I only want to buy one cart. And after that, we'll say I'm too many, don't give me another one. You might be asking, how does this use money? What's the price for? That's a good question because the way a store works right now is you get to choose the currency you want to use. And because we don't have a bank in the game yet, we don't have any centralized currencies, everybody just has a currency of their own and a personal bank account of their own. And you also see I have infinity Belmar credit. Why would I not have money? I have all the money I want because it's my money. And I can tell people it's my money. So this means though that if you come to my store and you want to buy something and you haven't ever sold me anything, then you very likely have 0 Velmarin credit. You've never sold me anything. So you have to kind of go to somebody's store and sell them things before you can buy things from them. But that's another problem because let's say you wanted to, sell some stuff at one store, you can go to somebody else's store and buy stuff from them. Well, they're all using a different credit currently. So in your town, you can choose if you want to make one person, uh, the town credit, so I can say I have that, but I have 0 of that. So now all of a sudden, even if I want to use that credit for my store, I can't sell anything to anybody. Nobody can buy anything because I can't give them $3. Does that make sense? It's a little bit strange, but you know that's just how this kind of works out. So right now we're all going to start out with just our basic credit, and people can trade back and forth to each other. And then once we get further in the game, somebody will open up a bank, they can start minting money, and suddenly we'll have kind of that standardized dollar throughout the game that people can trade with more easily. The other thing to be aware of is that by default, every store just has everyone allowed to use the store, buying and selling. If you want to, like for my store, you can remove everyone and then say, I just want to add, a few people. And you can easily choose who gets to use your store. All right. I hope that was pretty straightforward. I hope to see some stores pop up on the second week so people can trade a little better. And thank you for watching this video.